Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this beginner-friendly Roblox tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to buy and plant seeds so you can start growing your very own garden in Grow a Garden. So this is my garden in here. It's actually my day 2 playing this game. If you want to know how to buy and also plant seeds, this is how you are going to do. So to buy seeds, you can just click on the seeds options in here at the top, and it will bring you to this shop, the seed shop. You can just click on it to talk to the owner, and here you'll see the seeds stock available. So you can just choose one that fits the money that you have. For example, in here, I'm going to just buy the carrot seeds. This one, you can just click on the seeds that you want to buy and click on this green button to buy it. You can also buy more than one. Then to plant it, you can just click on the garden option. Then it will bring you to your garden. And to plant it, you can just go to the empty space and choose space in here. For example, you can just click on the carrot seed here at the bottom, and you can see that your avatar will holding it. Now you can just click on empty space, and it will be planted just like that. You can, if you have more than one, you can repeat the steps. So you can see it will grow just like this, and you can just collect it, and then after that you can sell it to the store. So that's pretty much all. So it's perfect for games for beginners like you who are new to the game. Like if you love chill static games on Roblox, and don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks for more beginner guides. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.